Piedmont Technical College's Cardiovascular Technology program offers South Carolina's only comprehensive study of both invasive and non-invasive cardiovascular technologies. You'll get hands-on training performing actual procedures with cardiologists in a clinical setting.
The cardiovascular program is a two-part program. The student can choose two options. They can go non-invasive or they can go invasive track. It is a 5-semester program, and during the first semester both tracks work together and they study the heart anatomy, heart physiology, and disease processes of the heart. They also learn about electrocardiograms, which is EKGs.
First thing is our program is an associate's degree program. To me, that's unique in itself because we're the only one in the state of South Carolina. So therefore, we're trying to make sure that we touch all aspects of this state, upper state, lower state, down toward the coast, wherever we can as much as possible. We also try to offer that when these students come to class, it's a couple days in class and then they go back to their area, hopefully, or surrounding areas where we have clinic sites to do their clinical training.
During the first semester, we explained the two different tracks, the non-invasive and invasive tracks. Upon completion of the first semester, the student will choose which direction they would prefer to go, whether non-invasive or invasive. The invasive program works in the cardiac cath lab with the standing beside the physician, helping assist with cardiac cath. The non-invasive student works in cardiac ultrasound, performing heart ultrasound.
My name is KHALID ABDELHAQ. I'm in the cardiovascular technology, the invasive part of the cardiovascular, and we work under a licensed physician in the cath lab to help with diagnostic and intervention cases.
You get the best of both worlds. You get to work with the machine and you get patient interaction. It feels good to be that person that, helps save somebody or helps find the problem that's causing them to feel so sick.
My dad died at the age of 52 with heart trouble, and it's just been, rewarding for me to be able to kind of give something back to patients that come in. My clinical site is Providence Hospital, and we have 6 labs there. And we have a preceptor that is always with us, and she instructs us on, how to do things, what we might be doing wrong, gives us suggestions on ways to improve our technique, and she's just there kind of as a mentor for us.
So once the student enters the program, they will learn basic analyzation and interpretation of EKGs. They will study more about the disease processes of the heart, how the heart functions, how to obtain various images of the heart from various locations, and how to work with different individuals, because each one of us is put together somewhat differently. Our body shapes, body sizes are different, and the images vary from individual to individual as well.
My students have to be very assertive students. They have to be those that are not easily intimidated. They have to be the ones that can think quickly on their feet and actually arise to most any emergent situation, think outside the box, stay 3 steps ahead of their cardiologist, and be able to multitask tremendously.
A career in cardiovascular technology requires both in-depth technical knowledge and a knack for detective work. As a PTC graduate, you'll have a deep practical knowledge of the field and get direct experience on cutting-edge equipment that you can take directly to work after graduation.